Well, hello and welcome back to Redwood Acres. Today I've been working on a project. This will be probably a couple different videos. Uh, so I decided, even after reading the reviews, to check out this. It's a 6x8 Amazon greenhouse, right? So I'll tell you up front, the frustrated comments are there for a reason. I'm very mechanically inclined, and it's not that it requires a whole lot of mechanical ability. It requires some tools, but it's more about patience. It's you know, if you've ever done the IKEA stuff, or any other like furniture assembly, lots of little screws, awkward positions, and you know, trying to get your fingers in there to tighten things down, and not the greatest instructions. So I will show you a little bit of that. And then as I get it completed, we'll talk over some of the things I'm going to do to improve its durability, because that's been one of the comments I read on there, and I can already see why there's going to be some issues with strong winds, you know, heavy rains or snows. Probably in the winter we're gonna have to figure something out for snow. But thought I'd give it a try, let you guys see what it's all about. For, I think they're about $350. I'll put a link down below. I am not recommending this product at this point in time, and I would probably say there might be better ones out there, like the Harbor Freight version. So let's take a look at some of the key things I just want you to take a note for. Of course, all the links for this down below, so you know which product I'm talking about on Amazon. So let's check this out. Okay, so you see, sorry, the pool pump is, you know, in the background, so you're gonna have a little bit of noise. I probably should have put my mic on. Bad etiquette, right? But it's a extruded powder coated aluminum. This one's green. They use stainless steel hardware. It's got these poly panels, the corrugated poly panels that you got to peel the film off of. I didn't realize that on a couple of them first, or how big of a pain it would be to get the panel after I had it assembled. So that's a door. We got to pull one side off and then redo that. But it was also like 90 degrees here in Washington, which is abnormally hot for this time of year, or any time of year really, for highs. But comes pre-packaged in this box with all the extruded aluminum, and then the panels, the poly panels, are in a box like that. Fairly manageable, probably a 2-person carry for most, for that box, or at least safely without, you know, potentially hurting your back. And then but these little screws, right, they go down in these channels. Let's see if I can find some place with a little better light. But the extruded aluminum is channeled, and then these stainless steel screws, which are 5/16 heads, slide down in here and there. So you can see how they can be easy to like drop all the way down and try to hold it. It's definitely beneficial to have multiple people helping you assemble this. I've had my boys helping me for different parts of it. We decided, because it is Mother's Day, you know, we're going to wrap this up and go cook some dinner for Mom, and then start again tomorrow afternoon when I get home from work. I'll probably do a little bit of work on it then, and then throughout the week, and get it done. But all in all, where are they going to be the problems? It is actually building a base for it. So we'll build a pressure treated lumber base, and probably interior is going to be paver bricks, like the larger style, like 16x16 or 12x12 square bricks, however that measures out, and anchoring it, because this thing will not just hang on its own. You're going to have to drill your own holes and anchor it down into the wood. And then internally, it does have these bracings. Now, the ones you see here are just temporary to kind of hold it together while until we get ready to finish the assembly. But some aircraft cables inside, I think, will go a long ways to making it a lot sturdier and able to handle winds with the flexing and blowing of the winds. I think that's going to be key. So once I get it all assembled, I'll do a final video. And then we'll do another one, you know, a year from now or 6 months from now, at the end of the summer. and then into winter, and kind of decide what we're going to do winter time for the roof, because I know those panels are not going to handle any sort of snow load. So I'm sure they're not rated for any of that. So I wouldn't expect them to. We don't get tons of snow here, but there's times where we get up to 12 inches in the winter. So we'll see. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow along at theravenwoodacres.com. Have a great day.